Good morning, students. Today we are going to start another lesson, that is 2.2, the three questions. Okay. Now this three questions, the story of three questions is actually a parable. Now what is parable? So we are going to discuss that. Before that, let us talk about the writer. Now who is the writer of this three questions? The writer is Leo Tolstoy. Now who is Leo Tolstoy? So Leo Tolstoy is a Russian writer, and he is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all times. Okay. One more thing about Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is also considered as a great philosopher. Now who is a philosopher? So philosopher is a person who talks or tells about life and wisdom. Okay, I read some books of Leo Tolstoy which were very good. You too, whenever will get time, read it. Okay. Now Leo Tolstoy, as we are saying that he is regarded as a very great author. So that started actually from his early age only. When he was of 20 years old, 20 years of age, during that time he wrote his first semi-autobiographical trilogue. Now what is autobiographical trilogue? Now let me explain you on this first of all. Autobiographical, autobiography, a person writes about his own life. Now semi-autobiographical means in this he has described some of the incidences of his own life. At the same time he added some more things which is not related to his life. Okay. Now what is trilogue? Now trilogue is monologue in which we write single dialogues, dialogue in which two persons actually talks with each other, trilogue in which three persons talks with each other, that is called as trilogue. Now when he was of 20 years old, 20 years of age, during that time only he wrote childhood, boyhood and youth, and that was his first book, we can say, and that was a trilogue. When he published that, he became so popular everywhere because it was written very nicely, and since that time he was considered as one of the greatest authors. Okay. So this was about Leo Tolstoy. Now let us talk about the three questions. Now what is this three questions? So the three questions are is a parable. Now what is a parable? So parable is a short story which gives us a moral lesson. Okay, a short story which gives us a moral lesson. This is also a parable. Now what happens in this parable, let me tell you in short. So there is, in this story, there is one king, and this king wanted to know the answers of three questions. Now what are these three questions? We are going to see in this lesson. So he wanted to know the answer of three questions, and for that he announced in his kingdom that those who will answer these questions will get handsome rewards. But nobody among his citizens are able to give the answers of three questions, and as a result he decided to go to a hermit who is known for his wisdom. Then he went to the hermit, and hermit gave the answers of these three questions, but he gave the answers in a very unique way, very different way. Okay. So what are these ways, what are the answers, what are the questions, all that we are going to see in this story. So let us start with the story. Now come to page number 52. Okay, let us start. Now once a certain king had an idea. If he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to and who to avoid, and the most important thing to do. Now these were the three questions which he thinks, means the king thinks, are the most important questions of life. The king thinks if we will get the answers of these three questions, then we will be successful in life. We will not have any worries, we will not have any problems in life. Okay. Let me explain you what are the meaning of these three questions. I know that you did not understand the meaning of these three questions. What is the first question? Tell us. The first question is, what is the right time to begin anything? Understood? What is the right time to begin anything? Means whenever we have to do anything, what is that exact time, so that on that exact time if we will start, we will get success. Can you you have to, along with this, you have to think now, what is the right time for anyone in his life to start any new thing. Second question, what was the second question? The second question was, who are the right persons, means who are the people on whom we can trust. Okay. The third question, what was the third question? The third question was, what is the most important thing to do, means what is the exact work or action we should do, okay, so that by doing that thing we will get 100% success. These were the three questions. Understood? Now he tried to find out the answers of all these three questions, but he did not get the answers. Maybe he asked to his courtiers, he asked to his generals, and those people, advisors would have been there, but he did not get the answers. And as a result, he thought that there are many people are there in my kingdom who are wise, who can give the answers, and that's why he make announcement in his kingdom. See, the word proclamation is used there. The meaning of proclamation is announcement. So he made an announcement in his kingdom. You might have seen old period with that dole and nagaras. They used to give the proclamations, and in that proclamation it was announced that those people or those person will give the right or the correct answer of these three questions will get handsome rewards. Okay. In that proclamation again he repeated the three questions. What are the three questions again? What is the right time for every action? Who are the most necessary people we must have in life? And how he might know the most important thing to do. Means that again the same thing. First is the right time to start anything, the right person to suggest that, okay, and the right thing to do. Okay, these are the three questions. So this is what the first paragraph. Let us do the next paragraph in our next video. Okay, thank you very much by the time.